If your cutting board is looking dry, cracked, or a little rough around the edges, don't toss it. A little food grade mineral oil can work absolute magic for you. Today I'm going to show you how this oil right here can help revive, protect, and extend the life of your cutting board. Let's go. Now, wood is naturally porous, which means over time it dries out, can absorb moisture unevenly, and can even crack. But with the right mineral oil, you're sealing in the wood's pores and locking in moisture the right way, without introducing bacteria, mold, or funky odors. Now let's start with the star of our show, and that is food grade mineral oil. First of all, it's colorless, odorless, and non-toxic, making it perfect for surfaces that will be touching food. Application is actually really easy. You just pour a small amount onto the board, rub it in with a soft cloth or paper towel, and let it sit for right around 20 minutes, or overnight if you need a deeper conditioning. Then you just wipe off the excess. Now let me show you how to do it so that we can get a before and after. We're gonna do my large TCOS cutting board right here. And like we said, you're just gonna take your mineral oil, pour it on, and then move it in with a soft cloth or paper towel. Then you just want to let it sit for about 20 minutes. And when you're happy with what you have, just wipe off the excess. And yes, if you're wondering, I do both sides and the edges. All right, our time has passed and you can just see how beautiful our cutting board looks now that it's been conditioned with food grade mineral oil. It's increased the color. Now it's got an added layer of protection, making it last longer. And yes, I did do both sides like I said. Now you want to do this about once a month or so. I would say probably anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks, or whenever your board starts to look dry or you can see some rough edges around it. If you remember to actually condition it with food grade mineral oil, you can make your board last a very long time, and I mean like years. Now I trust and use this brand right here. This is 13 Chefs food grade mineral oil, which costs between 14 and 18 USD. As always, I put the cheapest links for you down in the video description, and those links do help me out. So before you buy a brand new board and toss out your old one, try revitalizing your current board with mineral oil. Not only will you protect the cutting board, you'll make your cutting board better than ever. Be kind to your wood and it'll last you a lifetime. Now, if you're in the market for a large cutting board just like this, which by the way is super awesome, I recommend checking the video out over to my side, where you can see the review of the TCOS cutting board. I'll see you over there, and thanks for watching.